टीफिट हर जगह टीफिट कंसीलर की वीडियोस आ रही है, बट ये प्रोडक्ट अच्छा भी है और इज इट जस्ट हेवीली प्रमोटेड बाय इन्फ्लुएंसर्स? इफ यू गाइस वांट टू नो, प्लीज कीप ऑन वाचिंग. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. This is me, Priya Sharma. I'm a makeup enthusiast and make makeup related videos on YouTube. So today we are going to review a super viral product. मतलब सबकी रील्स में यही शो हो रहा है, सब जगह यही है, हर कोई यूज कर रहा है, तो रिव्यू करना तो बनता है ना. So today we are going to review the Tfit Concealer and I have two. And you will know why I have to later on. So I've got it in the shade neutral and it has 3 shades inside it, that is light beige, natural beige and dark beige, and it is available on Instagram stores that sell international makeup, so you can get your hands on it from any of those pages. I got mine from the Makeup Lounge, the page is on Instagram, so I got mine from her, and so you can get it for somewhere around 1100 to 2000 rupees. मतलब इतने का मिलेगा यही चीज, but everyone is selling for a different price, so you can check that out. So basically ये concealer इतना viral हो क्यों रहा था? This concealer is taking rounds all over the internet because of its super high coverage. वो जो कंसीलर्स हम देखते हैं ना, जो लोग ऐसे सप्लाई करते हैं और बिल्कुल स्किन पोरलेस, सीमलेस, ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी हाई कवरेज, सब दाग धब्बे सब हटा देता है, बस सब ये क्लेम करते हैं कि ये वो है. बट माई एक्सपेक्टेशंस आर क्वाइट डिफरेंट. आई एम जस्ट एक्सपेक्टिंग इट टू बी हाई कवरेज बिकॉज pores vanish तो कोई भी नहीं कर सकता. So I'm just expecting it to be good high coverage concealer and let's see if it lives up to my expectations or not. So this is what the concealer looks like. It comes in this little cardboard box. It has Chinese written all over it, so you can't read a word, and only thing that's written in English is the Tfit logo and the shades that are mentioned right here. So mostly all of the Instagram stores have the neutral shade in it. Some of them even have warm, but I'm not sure. But yeah, neutral सबके पास available है, and it is for very fair complexion. And let me quickly open this and show it to you, and let's see if it will work on my skin or not. Because मेरा skin tone is very common. It is NC20, and if you use your foundation, it is 2W. I sometimes use 2N as well. Maybelline में generally I am 120 ivory. So now you can see if you are somewhere near to my shade, and this is what the box looks like. It is this little. I have very small hands, by the way, and it is a very tiny box. Let me compare it with something. So yeah, I have the mini Hoola bronzer and it is the size of that. So let me quickly open this. So it comes in this container, like it opens like this. It has 3 shades. The shades are light beige, natural beige and dark beige. So the undertone is neutral, and let me quickly swatch these shades for you guys. So the first one is a very light and bright shade. So it is said that it comes with a brightening concealer, a color correcting concealer, and then you have a contour shade. But we'll see how this works because this shade is like super light, and then we are moving on to the color correcting shade, which is this shade, and this is what the shade looks like. And moving on towards the third shade, which is said to be used for contouring. This is the contour shade. So these are all the 3 shades that are available in this pan, and now that I've applied this on my hand, later on I will do an oxidization test and we'll see if this oxidizes or not. So now let's quickly apply this product on the under eyes, and then we'll talk about all the details and everything about this concealer. So I plan on using this as the color corrector, and then we'll see which one works better for brightening. So starting with the darkest shade to color correct my under eyes, I'm going to use finger on the right side, and on the left side I'll use a brush. Wow, it has very beautifully concealed my dark circles. You can see the before and after. It's like magic. Literally, it feels like magic. So this is what the side with the fingertip looks like. Now I'm going to give it a subtle blend with a beauty blender because finger से excess product pick up हो जाता है, and to just pick up the excess, जो भी extra हो, we'll pick it up with a beauty blender. so far so good. I feel the concealer is very thin, like very thin. Generally when concealers come in pot-like form, they are very thick, and I personally do not like pot concealer, so I had some second thoughts when I thought of buying this, because I bought the NARS Radiant concealer, I think that's what it's called, the pot one. Let me quickly show that to you. So this is the one I'm talking about. I have it, and let me show you. I've barely used this. I've used it this much, and I have it since like 2 years now, more than 2 actually. So I've not used it at all. These kind of concealers crease on me because they are very thick, and I do not like thick concealers under my eyes. I just want light and serum like formulations on my face. So yeah, I feel this formulation is very nice and very thin. That's my experience till now. Let's see how it goes. So I'm going to use this color correcting brush. I always use this brush for my color correcting, and I'm not going to make any exception. So using this with the brush and picking the product up and going on now. So this is what the side with the brush looks like. Again, it looks beautiful. So I think whatever you use, a brush or a beauty blender, there is not much of a difference. But the thing that you should definitely keep in mind is use a beauty blender to just pick up the excess, because you can see it looks very shiny because it's wet. Like a lot of product is there, and under eyes mein jitna kam product ho utna acha. So I'm using a beauty blender to just pick up the excess. I've picked up from this side, and now it's done for this side. So I'm loving it so far. My under eyes look very evenly concealed. I am loving it. There are no doubts about it. So if you're wondering that why haven't I used it without color correcting, I forgot about that firstly, and secondly I've used it earlier as well, and I'll share my experience. So when you use a very bright shade under the eyes without color correcting, it turns gray. Any concealer in this whole wide world will. So don't use your concealer without color correcting. It's important because any concealer in this world, not this, any, will turn gray, and I hate that thing. I cannot stand a gray under eye, especially for myself. I don't do that. So yeah, I'm not doing that. So I'm now taking this shade. It is for, you know, color correcting, but I'll use this now because I've used the contour wala shade for my color correcting. So I think this will work. If by chance it doesn't, I'll take like a tiny dab of the brightest shade and just mix everything up. So that's how I'm going to use it. Again, the right side goes for the finger, the left side goes for the brush. So I have it in my hand and just wiping off the excess and starting with very little. The shade is like very apt for my skin tone. So you can see a lot of product is there. We are going to use a beauty blender. This is a must when you're using this product because it is very thin and you just pick up product, apply it, and in this process we end up taking a lot of product. And to just, you know, soak that excess up, use a beauty sponge, just dab it and you're good. I'm very satisfied with the under eye right now. To just give that little hint of brightness, I'll, you know, mix these two a little. The brightest shade on the back of my hand and a little bit of the color correcting shade. We'll mix these two like a little bit and just, you know, brighten my under eyes a little. Wow. So now I'm quickly setting it using my Anastasia's loose powder. I have it in the shade Vanilla. So far so good. And now let's quickly pick up the brush and we are going to use this on the other side with a brush now. Using the color correcting shade again. So if you are NC20, you can just directly use it. You do not have to mix and match. But if your shades are like slightly fairer or slightly darker, then you have to mix it up a little bit. We'll talk about that later on. Let's quickly apply it now. Still looking beautiful. So this is what my under eyes look right now. I've applied powder right now, the loose powder, to just bake slightly. Until the time it's baking, I'll come back after completing my full face. Bye. Now that I've applied the concealer and you've seen how it looks on the under eyes, let's talk about the consistency. So the consistency of the product is very, very thin. Like, it is super thin. I've never used anything that comes in a pot which has this, you know, this thin of a consistency. I have used the NARS pot concealer and it is super thick as compared to this one. I have this concealer since 2 years, but I haven't used it even a little bit. So it is very, very thick. You can compare it with the MAC's pot concealer pot, that is thick as well. So as compared to all the concealers that are available in the market, this has literally the thinnest consistency when it comes to the pot concealers. So the consistency is literally, it is very, very, very thin, and when you apply it under the eyes, it applies a very, very thin layer, and when you apply it with your fingers, it is very, very easy to, you know, go into any nicks and corners. You can even use it with a brush. You've seen me using it with a brush and there has been no issues at all. It applies very, very nicely with a brush or a finger, whatever is your preference, you can use that. Now talking about the buildability of this concealer, you've seen I have built it up thrice. Like, firstly I color corrected, then I applied the matching shade to my skin tone, and then I went ahead and brightened it up a little bit, and it built up very beautifully. It doesn't get cakey, you know, it has a very, very lightweight and light texture to it. You do not feel heavy under the eyes. Since it has thin consistency, it is great for matured skin. It looked absolutely stunning on my mother. I used it on her and she's 50 years old and it looked absolutely, absolutely gorgeous on her. So yeah, it looks very beautiful on matured skin as well. Now talking about the coverage, the main thing that people were raving about. So under my eyes, I felt the coverage was absolutely stunning, but it's not about coverage under the eyes. People are going crazy because people were like using a black sketch pen and putting it on their cheeks and then covering it up. And luckily I do not have to put a sketch pen because I have tattoo on my hand and we are going to see if it covers that. So now I am not going to color correct my tattoo. I'm going to like directly apply this. I'm going to use the center shade and let's just see if it's able to cover it or not. Under eyes के लिए the coverage is enough. It looks good. It looks very, very nice. But थोड़ा सा जो भी इंटरनेट पे क्रेजी हो रहे हैं लोग, जो वायरल वीडियोस जा रही है, let's see वैसा ये परफॉर्म करता है या नहीं. So I'm going to use this shade, the color correcting shade that is in this. Going to, you know, conceal my tattoo and see if it conceals or not. So let's see. So crazy videos की तरह तो इसकी coverage इतनी high है नहीं. You need to apply a lot to, you know, hide, and still you can see the alphabets are still slightly visible. So I don't think इतनी crazy coverage है कि you can cover up your tattoos. Color correct करके maybe let's try color correcting के साथ भी. So I'm using the contour shade now and I'm color correcting the other half on my hand. Let's see. So I've color corrected it with the shade that's available in the pot, and then I'm going to use the brightening shade. This shade that I've used, I'm going to use it on the other side as well. And now let's see. This is what it looks like. The tattoo is still visible. Color correct करने के बाद भी it hasn't made like a lot of difference. Tattoos बहुत ज़्यादा prominent होते हैं obviously, और black sketch pen भी for that matter. Under eyes and dark spots ये सब ये definitely बहुत अच्छे से cover कर सकता है. This was just because I wanted to try it and video में कर रहे हैं तो why not? आपको भी पता लग जाएगा मुझे भी. So I did this just for fun. So now talking about if it gets cakey at all. So if you like layer a lot, then definitely कुछ भी cakey होगा. But this is thin and nice. So if you like apply a decent amount, blend it nicely, ये cakey नहीं होगा. So if you're wondering if this creases or settles into the fine lines a lot, then the answer is no. अगर आप बहुत ही thick layer apply कर लो और फिर उसे powder करो, कोई भी concealer हो जाएगा. I have used a lot of concealers. Every concealer creases if you apply a very thick layer. But if you apply thin layer, like a decent amount to just cover up your, you know, dark circles, then definitely it will not crease. You just need to blend your concealer properly. This concealer has a hydrating formulation. It is not dehydrating or matte in any form. It is hydrating, and I feel this is dewy concealer. When you set it, obviously it gets matte, but you do not feel the need to slap on moisturizer on your face, because that happens a lot with me. I have, like, my face is very dry, and when the concealer is super duper drying or super matte, it makes my under eyes very dry. Now let's do a fragrance test. So this product has literally zero fragrance. It has no kind of fragrance added to it. Now again, coming to my favorite part, foundation, concealer, blush, contour, sab kuch. Everything looks very nice in the ring light or the studio lights, but will it look good in the natural lighting, in the room lighting? Let's quickly find that out. So आप अच्छे से देख लो how it looks like in the ring light first. So this is how my under eyes look. Now I'm turning off the ring light to show you how it looks in the natural lighting, like the lights I have in my room. So this is how it looks in the natural lighting or the light I have in my room. I do not have a lot of bright lights, but बहुत कम भी lights नहीं है. It's like fine, like how normally lights are in anyone's house. Makeup के लिए lighting generally सबकी खराबी होती है घर में. So that's the case with me as well. So this is what it looks like in the room lighting. And now your favorite part, and mine too, we are going to see how it looks in the normal sunlight, the most trusted lighting ever. And this is how it looks like in the normal lighting. This is the natural sunlight. I think it looks very nice. Like, I have used concealers and it is working like a luxury concealer, seriously. So we are back with our ring light lighting. So I think it looked very nice in the sunlight, and anything which looks good in sunlight, मतलब वो हमेशा अच्छा लगेगा, because sunlight में कुछ भी hide नहीं होता. अगर कंसीलर क्रीज कर रहा है, गंदा दिख रहा है, केकी दिख रहा है, पाउडरी दिख रहा है, सब चीज विजिबल होती है. That's the beauty of natural lighting, the sun lighting. I love a good concealer which looks nice in the natural lighting, because I do not like lying about the product. If the product works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So this product worked very nicely. It looks like a luxury concealer, but it is just lightweight and nice. I think the price point is very nice. I think from 1100 to 1350, like it is mostly available for 1350 on a lot of sites that I've seen. कुछ इससे भी ज़्यादा में बेच रहा है, like 1750 maybe, but 1750 से ज़्यादा मैंने कहीं नहीं देखा है. Let's do the oxidization test. So let's see if this has oxidized or not. ये लगाने के बाद I powdered my hand, because powder करने के बाद ही पता चलता है कि वो ग्रे हो रहा है, ऑक्सीडाइज हो रहा है, जो भी हो रहा है. So I've powdered, and now I'm going to do a swatch side by side. I will powder it, and then we'll see if it has oxidized or not. So this is the lightest shade that we used. Now this is the color correcting shade, swatching it literally beside, and then we are going to use the contour shade, putting that just beside this. So this is what it looks like. Let me quickly powder it. So let me show you first. So this is what it looks like. This is the latest swatch. This is the old one. Again the latest, then old, late. This is the latest, and then this is the old one. Okay, so don't get confused. Now before powdering it, also I can see that there is oxidization. So please be careful with this. This oxidizes. Now I will powder, and then we will compare. So I'm going to powder it now. So I've powdered all the concealers, and still I can see that there is oxidization. Okay, so by this shade we can clearly see that the shades have oxidized. So this is the old swatch, and this is the new one. You can see the light dark difference. We can see that here also, and here as well. So this concealer definitely oxidizes. Now there is no issue with oxidization, like it will not ruin your base or something, but you need to be very careful when you're buying it, because when you apply it after some time it gets darker. So you have to be careful. You have to buy a shade lighter. In this case you have to mix and match and make your concealer a shade or like slightly lighter. The oxidization is not like major, like कि 2-3 shades का difference आ गया या 2 shades का भी आ गया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Like slight 1 shade or half shade difference आता है, but it's my duty to mention, and it's your wish if you want to buy it or not. Now I'm done with all the great things about this concealer. Overall बहुत अच्छा निकला है अब तक. Now let's talk about the cons of this. The cons are firstly it's not available in India, so आप store पे जाके check नहीं कर सकते. If you have any of the international makeup stores anywhere near you और वो आपको टेस्ट करने दे, well and good, please do try it out. बट अगर नहीं करने देते हैं, that is the con of this thing कि आप ट्राई नहीं कर सकते हो अपना कंसीलर. यू हैव टू जस्ट गैस वर्क करके ले सकते हो. एंड शेड्स इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा अवेलेबल है नहीं. सो इंडिया में आई हैव मोस्टली सीन पीपल सेलिंग द न्यूट्रल शेड, एंड न्यूट्रल इज नॉट सूटेबल फॉर एवरी वन, लाइक नॉट एवरी पर्सन. कलर करेक्टिंग शेड में इफ यू आर समवन लाइक मी, लाइक यू हैव NC20 स्किन टोन, देन दिस इज ग्रेट. कलर करेक्टिंग शेड भी मिल जाएगा, ब्राइटनिंग भी मिल जाएगा, उससे ज़्यादा ब्राइटनिंग भी मिल जाएगा. इफ यू आर फेयर देन मी, वेल एंड गुड, दिस विल वर्क फॉर यू. बट मेरे स्किन टोन तक तो ये ठीक वर्क कर जाएगा. बट आफ्टर दैट आपको जो है कलर करेक्टर नहीं मिल पाएगा, बट ऑल दी अदर शेड्स आर अवेलेबल. बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट इज दैट जो अंडर आई लाइंस होती है हमारी, वो ये बहुत ज्यादा एम्फसाइज नहीं करता है. जितनी है उतनी ही रहेंगी, उसे हाइट वाइट कुछ नहीं करेगा, बिकॉज जो अंडर आई के रिंकल्स है वो वैसे ही रहेंगे. बट कोई कोई प्रोडक्ट इतना डिहाइड्रेटिंग होता है, इतना ड्राइंग और मैट होता है कि वो बहुत एम्फसाइज कर देता है रिंकल्स को, और वो जितने नहीं है उससे ज्यादा दिखने लगते हैं. सो इट डजंट डू दैट. जितने हैं एज इट इज रहेंगे, उन्हें कंसील कर देगा, उन्हें एम्फसाइज नहीं करेगा. सो आई गिव दिस कंसीलर अ गुड 8 out of 10 बिकॉज फर्स्टली इंडिया में अवेलेबल नहीं है. और द सेकंड पॉइंट दैट आई हैव कट इज व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विद यू गाइस राइट नाउ. सो मैंने शुरू में कहा था आई बॉट 2 of these. सो व्हाई विल आई बाय 2 of the same shade? ये क्वेश्चन अगर आपके मन में है तो आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर द स्टोरी नाउ. सो आई बॉट 2 शेड्स, दोनों सेम हैं. मेरा शेड और मेरी मॉम का शेड सेम है. सो व्हेन आई बॉट दिस आई यूज्ड इट. आई टोल्ड माई मॉम कि अच्छा यू शुड गेट योर हैंड्स ऑन दिस, एंड शी बॉट इट एज वेल. बट व्हेन आई बॉट माइन, गलती से हाथ लग गया मेरा, ये बॉक्स नीचे गिर गया. नाउ जनरली जो पॉट कंसीलर्स होते हैं वो नीचे गिर जाते हैं, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, वो खराब नहीं होते हैं. बट जब ये गिरा, दिस इज माइन, द वन विच फेल. आई वॉज यूजिंग माई मम्स, आई टुक इट फॉर द वीडियो. तो जब मेरा गिरा, इट वेंट ऑन टू द कैप लाइक दिस. ये पूरा इस पे ट्रांसफर हो गया. इतना ज़्यादा थिन हो रहा था ये. और उस वक्त ये डिलीवरी हुआ था, उसके थोड़े टाइम में ही, लाइक आफ्टर लाइक हाफ एन आवर और सो, मेरे हाथ से गिर गया था. बहुत ज़्यादा हाइट नहीं थी, बट स्टिल ये गिर गया था. ये सारा इस पे आके थोड़ा मिक्स हो गया था. सो मैंने अभी से रिस्टोर कर दिया है, बट यू कैन सी शेड्स में थोड़ा फर्क आ गया है, थोड़े लाइट हो गए हैं सारे शेड्स. सो इसकी फॉर्मुलेशन इतनी थिन थी कि अगर आप इसे बहुत ही ज़्यादा गर्मी में रखोगे, ये बहुत ज़्यादा लिक्विडी हो जाएगा और आप फिर इसे कहीं कैरी नहीं कर पाओगे. सो यू नीड टू बी वेरी केयरफुल विद दिस. कहीं लगना नहीं चाहिए, गिरना नहीं चाहिए ज़्यादा, एंड गर्मी में भी ना हो, अदरवाइज ये पूरा मिक्स हो जाएगा. एंड सीरियसली दिस काइंड ऑफ मिसहैप हैज़ नेवर हैपेंड विद मी. मेकअप प्रोडक्ट गिरते रहते हैं, we all know that. कभी ना कभी गलती से हमसे हाथ लग जाता है, कुछ ना कुछ गिर जाता है. बट दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग लिटरली हैपेंड विद मी फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम. बट आई वांटेड टू शूट द वीडियो, सो मैंने दूसरा वाला ले लिया. एंड यू कैन सी द कंपैरिजन. मैं अपना दिखाती हूँ. सो यू कैन सी द शेड डिफरेंस. बहुत डिफरेंस नहीं है, बट स्टिल द डिफरेंस इज देयर, यू कैन सी. So I've used this one for the video, and this is mine. I will just finish it up somehow. मैंने use करा है, it has worked very nicely for me mix up होने के बाद भी. So I will use it obviously because I like the formulation. It's nice and thin, and it's great for office going people जिन्हें बहुत heavy concealer नहीं चाहिए. The second disadvantage that I feel कि रोज ना किसी को अच्छा नहीं लगता अपना कलर बनाना. So if you like the formulation a lot, आप पहले ही मिक्स करके अपना शेड बना के रख लो, that's great. But someone like me, I don't feel like going on and mixing every day, because कितनी भी बार मिक्स कर लो, हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ शेड में थोड़ा डिफरेंस आएगा, and you'll be like shit यार, आज मैच नहीं हो. So that is the thing with this कि अगर आपका शेड स्पॉट ऑन इसमें आ जाए, great, nothing better than that. But अगर नहीं हो पाए then आपको मिक्स करना पड़ेगा. But if you're okay with mixing it once in one of the pans or one of the spaces, then that's great. You can mix it up पहले से पूरा and keep it. But if you do not like mixing wala thing, then it can be a little bit of a task. So for all these points, I will give it an 8 out of 10. But don't get me wrong, the formulation is absolutely beautiful. And yeah, this is it for the video. I hope you guys like it, and thank you for the subscriber who asked me to do this video. I hope you like the review, and to all the other people who are watching, please do let me know if you want me to review any other product in the comment section below. And yeah, this is it for the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please do subscribe. Please. Bye.